Welcome back, dear kids. Hope you all are well. Today I am back with another important topic in English grammar, that is sentence. Let's begin. Well, children, as you all are aware of the fact that when we speak, read and write, we make use of number of sentences, isn't it? But have you ever thought what are the rules that are followed to make a meaningful sentence? First of all, let's discuss what is a sentence. So, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Moreover, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Alright? Let's take the help of few examples to understand the concept more thoroughly. Read the words written in orange box. That is, best we friends are. So children, these are a group of words, but does they make any sense? Obviously not. So what should be done to turn these group of jumbled words into a meaningful sentence? So to convert it into a sentence, we should first arrange these words in such a manner that they start making any sense. Alright? Now read the sentence written in blue box. We are best friends. Now, are these group of words making sense? Of course. Moreover, it is now starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. Clear? Well, here both the rules regarding a complete sentence are being followed. Let's have a look at few more such examples. Tall is the building very. Similarly, these words are also jumbled. So the correct arrangement will be the building is very tall. Also, it is starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. In this slide, love I learning mathematics. So the correct order will be I love learning mathematics. It is also beginning with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. Peacock is the national bird of India. So this will be called a complete sentence because it is following both the rules of a sentence. The words are set in proper order and it is starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. Similarly, Jenny is good at dancing. It is also a complete sentence. Next, children are enjoying the ice cream. Rohan loves basketball. Now read this one carefully. In which school do you learn? Children, have you noticed this sentence is starting with a capital letter but ending with a question mark instead of a full stop. Why it is so? The reason being, when a question is asked to someone, question mark is put at the last. Is it clear? Let's take one more example. Are we going for the party tonight? See, here also the sentence starts with a capital letter but ending with a question mark because it is a question. Children, I hope this is clear to you. Always remember these points whenever you are writing any sentence. Fine? Thank you, children. God bless you.